Hey y'all, it's Courtney with It's Jerky y'all, and I'm here to make a comfort food classic for the holidays. We're gonna make some red wine chili. So we have everything laid out for you here. We have our jerky. We went ahead and went with all three flavors, the black pepper, teriyaki, and chipotle, but you can choose your favorite. We just wanted to use them all. We also have our vegan butter. We have our garlic, some cilantro. We have a mix of spices here, chili powder, cayenne, and cumin. We also have tomato paste, red wine vinegar, some brown sugar, white and red onions. Here's some veggie stock, your choice of your favorite red wine. This is the one we're using today. And then our beans as our protein base, a can of black beans, a can of chickpeas, and a can of pinto. So we're gonna tell you how to put it all together. You just come over with me. Now that our chili has reduced, we're gonna serve it up. Get a nice ladle. Right. Add some garnish for a pop of color. And bon appetit, y'all. Yeah, that's really good. You can really taste the wine. If you haven't tried red wine chili, it's a good recipe, y'all.